Hello there everyone, my name is Bitnami and I welcome you all to this channel. In this quick video, I will be talking with you about how you can install WordPress to your PC or your local machine. Now, it is a very easy process. We will be talking about a single package or the easiest installation method so that you do not need to download the WordPress and the server setup separately. Now, let's quickly open Google Chrome. Here we need to type Bitnami WordPress. After that, just click on the first link. I will also put this link in the description of this video so that you can directly open it from there also. Now here we have three options. We can download it for Windows, OS X and Linux. In our particular case, we will be downloading it for Windows, so I will be downloading this one. Now you need to create a Bitnami account for this, and the easiest way to create the account with Bitnami is just sign in with Google. After successfully signing in, you will see that the process of download has begun. If the download didn't start it for you, then you can click on this particular link so that the download can be started manually. Now this is the only setup that we need to install, and we do not need to download any other package. Now we will be opening this installer. Now here we need to select our language, and then I can click on next, and then here we can see PHP my admin also getting installed. Now from here you can specify the path, but I will be keeping it as it is. Now here you can leave this thing as it is, but you require to create a username and password, because this is going to be the username and password for your WordPress. So I will be providing the password, and now just click on next, and here let's say you want to change your blog name to something, then you can give your blog name here. Now I'm gonna click next, then next, and now we can see after clicking on few next, the process of installation has begun. Click on allow access. Now we can see the installation process has completed. Let's click on launch Bitnami WordPress stack. And here we can see the access URL, which is 127.0.0.1. Now we're gonna click on access WordPress, and it is accessible with any browser in your computer. For example, you want to access it with Chrome, so the same address you need to type, and you can click on access WordPress. In order to log into your dashboard, it is pretty simple. Just type wp admin and type here the same username and password which you had set during the setup, and definitely you can change it after logged into dashboard and from here in user. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.